No, seriously. Week after week, I have no idea what I'm doing. Any
No
week.
way.
I mean, I just try to
Really?
make it up. I was
Are
like,
you-
oh, I guess.
Are you really serious?
Okay,
You
everyone,
sure?
places. Come on. Billy,
all
ready
right.
up. Come on, let's go. We gotta get this going.
Well, how would you like if I filmed you then?
No. Shut it off.
You didn't like it, huh? Okay, let's take it. Are we ready?
One, go.
Hi, I'm Billy Maddox, and welcome to Maker Maddox. I just wanted to do a little video this week to give thanks and show appreciation to the people that help me make these videos week after week on the channel. There's people buzzing behind the scenes that you never see, and they never get any credit or you know, I just, you know, I don't really kind of thank them enough, and I wanted to do that this week. So hats off to them. This is my thanks to them. So thanks so much for watching, Maker Maddox crew. Roll the thing.
Oh, the whole on-set crew is
Hi, I'm Billy
gone
Maddox,
for the day.
and
Thank you. I'm here editing still.
welcome to Maker
Everyone
Maddox.
stays behind to do this. Give me a break.